Guys, for a while ago, I was in MeowBahh's fan server or whatever is this. It's pretty insane. I just left for a second and there was some people arguing about this thing. It is very insane, especially to this explain guy. Just just immediately sweared when MeowBahh is here. That's a big that's a big I don't know what to say. But in later on, very early, I send I just send something you would see now in YouTube that is very viral, that seeing this picture that's blurred out, but I see one full resolution. Only one eye, but I cannot see her full face or like that. And I will put the link in the description if you want to see it. And look at and MeowBahh is not a cute girl. She is not good at all. As you can see, she's weird. I'm not really sure if she will get banned by the Discord or no. So yeah, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.